Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change position, scale, rotate and resize clips in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Okay, I've got two clips here in my timeline. Let's check it out. One beautiful sky, the clip from below, and one giant play button, the clip from above. And I want to change the position, rotate, scale and resize this clip from above, the giant play button. So I will click on the clip to select it, and I can do this in two different ways. Directly on the player, so I can move this giant play button, I can resize it here, I can rotate it as well. But I also can do this in the video tab, basic sub tab. So I can change the scale, change position by clicking on the little arrow. It's a very slow procedure. I can type the position as well. For example, 300. I can rotate the clip here also by typing the degree, 50 degree, or dialing this knob over here. And I can align the clip also. Align left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. But I will do this freely, manually. Maybe here. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to always get new free tutorials. Also, if you want to support my channel with a tiny contribution, just click on the join button. You will become a member and will have access to my videos 1 month ahead. See ya!